burning money. Essentially, that's what we do every day. Meet Ion 2.0, the first silver-based device to minimize food waste. Just add water, press the button, and place it in your fridge. It's that simple. It runs for weeks on a single charge, and when the battery is low, a red light turns on. No more frustration over losing food you were counting on. Ion uses a special silver-coated filter, creating an ionized silver solution. It's highly effective against mold and bacteria, responsible for food spoilage and unpleasant odors. Every hour, Ion releases an ultra-fine mist into the air. The silver mist doesn't leave any dampness or smell, but sanitizes your fridge and preserves your food. It also eliminates harmful bacteria that may thrive on the surface of your groceries, lowering the risk of an upset stomach or food poisoning. Please support Ion. It saves food, it saves money, and it saves the environment. All at once.
Follow us to join the community of innovators.